Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, this is chapter 11, section problem 78. The question is, water is a good solvent for many substances. What's the molecular basis for this property and why is it significant? So water is unique in that despite its low molecular weight, it's a liquid at room temperature. And it's a liquid at room temperature despite its really low molecular weight. And the reason for that is that it's very polar. So it has a high dipole moment. And that means that it can, it's really good at dissolving ionic species. And that is in high contrast to a lot of other liquids, such as hexanes or benzene or toluene. A lot of liquids at room temperatures are nonpolar. Additionally, water has the ability to participate in a vast network of hydrogen bonds. And that's really important because it can interact with more species and ionic species. And every interaction that your solvent has with a solute makes it more and more soluble. So the fact that each water molecule can participate in like 6 hydrogen bonds is really important. And water, again, it's a liquid at room temperature. So it's not, most of the time it's not a solid, but also it has a really high boiling point too, being 100 degrees. So there's a vast range of temperatures that things can remain in solution. And it's significant because our bodies are 70% water. So there's a reason why we're, at least on Earth, we're built with hydrocarbons, and why water plays such a huge part of our metabolism, because tons of things, ionic species are easy to dissolve in water, and we can use the oxygen and hydrogen in our bodies for different chemical reactions, and it's just really generally important. Anyway, that's it for that question. Additionally, water has a really good thermal resistivity. It has a high specific heat. So it's resistant to changes in temperature. It's also really good for life. That's probably about it. Okay, well, good luck studying, everybody.